Hello, it's Steve Overgard at 22131 Jordan Heights Drive, and I'm looking at some erosion issues. I'm just going to walk you through what I see. This is the footer and foundation by the garage, and you can see that the water pouring out of the gutter downspout is causing erosion. This is quite a bit different change than what it was the last time we were here a couple months ago. So this gutter is draining down beside the house, and it's probably looks like it's about 18 or 20 inches deep that it's dug, and it goes down along the side of the house there, and then it dissipates. So it's about probably 12 feet from there to there, and then it's actually backwashing up here. So we need to take care of this so that it doesn't get down to the footing, of course, and then cause structural damage to the house, but also because it's washing out from underneath the concrete apron, and then also from the asphalt, and that'll start to kind of let gravity have its way. So here's what I think we got to do. Okay, the focus here is on these gutters. So we have normal size, standard size gutters, and the main roof here, about a third of the main roof has no gutters, and it empties down onto this other roof, and that other roof, the A roof right there, empties down into these gutters, which are standard size. So that gutter is taking a lot of water. It's taking half of this A roof plus a third of the main roof, and there's only one downspout right there, and that downspout goes right there, and it empties into that big crater right there. So there's no mystery what's going on. What do we need to do to fix this? First of all, we need to get some gutters up top, and we can divert some of that water away before it is dumped all into one spot beside the house. So we need to get gutters up top. Because of the nature of our climate recently, we tend to have more violent and heavy downfalls of rain all at one time. So I think that the gutter work that we do here should be the oversized gutter, so do that. And then on this side, where the gutter comes around the garage, I think these should also be oversized gutters. I think we should do the downspout there where it is now. I think we should do another downspout there, towards the lake. And we probably ought to do another downspout here on that corner, and then another one here, which there's already one there. But what that will do is right now all this water is either being divided between two standard size downspouts. So if we do extra downspouts and oversized downspouts, it's going to be dispersing the water over a wider area. Now, this is the side of the house, and so there's kind of a swale, as there should be. The grade starts at the house, and it kind of falls down here to the swale. So when we do the downspout here and the downspout here, we should come underground with that corrugated pipe, and then just kind of bring it out, trench it and bring it out. And then while we're doing that, of course, we can take care of that satellite wire as well, and that should wrap it up. I'm also looking on the back of the house where we fixed last season, and there's some subsidence of the ground here as well, because the cinder block wall should not be visible. So we've got the downspout end and elbow, which is missing here. I think there's supposed to be a drain tile there. Maybe it's supposed to be hooked up, maybe it's not, but I'm going to recommend that we repair the bottom of this gutter, and then also pipe it into the ground and take it down here and dump it out there in that gravel pile. Seems to me like there's a lot of raw grass here. I think we'd be better off with some gravel or river stones or something that's not going to wash down. The same issue right here. Same thing. Water's dumping down. It's overwhelming the gutters. All the water is being dumped right at the foundation. This is just another view at the back of the house where the grade is not, it used to be up higher and now it's kind of washing away. So same prescription here. And although it's not as bad on this side of the house, you can see it's starting to get to be a problem right up in through here. And looking at the front of the house from the other view, you can see that that upper roof, the regular section of the upper roof does not have any gutters at all, so the water's just going where the water's going to go instead of where we want it to go.